I'm Josh Brookes, riding for Dow Racing Honda team. It's important to be able to feel yourself, not be restricted or be uncomfortable or have a second thought in your head about what you're wearing. It needs to be a thought that's removed from your concentration and you can just focus everything on what you're doing. For me, the primary thing is feel comfortable, and then secondary is a protection. If I'm completely in a comfortable and focused mindset, then it's less likely that I'll need the protection. At any level, you have to have, trust in your equipment. Even if you're, just an enthusiast riding right to the top of the world champion, you have to have trust in your equipment.